Had a jug of beer and oil change.
Done.
What you do?
It's that easy.
Take that thing under there. Give her a little twisty turn to the right. Pump the shit out of her. So, boom. And then you throw them boys underneath the things with the sides, and then pull the thing that has that stuff in it, black stuff. That's not good. And you take off the one of these things. Sometimes you take off one of them things. You need one of them things. They help turn it. Anyway, then you take them out, let that down, come out here, crack that bitch. Take one of these things, boom. Pull this thing out. No, look, full, yep.
I thought it ran on pixie dust or something.
Throw that in there, put that back on there. And then you take this, your nice oily hand. Find the keys. Fucking great.
Mint.
Oh yeah,
That means you did a good job with the oil change.
450,000 kilometers of fucking rights. See that tip? That's a good oil change right there.
Fuck yeah.
You pull her out, check her low, lead her low. Gotta top up your filter, bud. Don't forget that. Or this. Had to make a mess in 5 seconds. 1 Mississippi, or 3, or... that should be about a liter of Mississippi's. Don't spill your oil. So that's bad. Beer break. Perfect.
Mint.
Look at that. Look, you think I'm kidding? Bang on.
Golden.